Okay guys, I'm inside the Christmas tree factory today. This place is huge. Let's go inside and start the tour. Oh, it's loud in here. This whole section handles raw materials. These tiny PVC pellets. This is the base of every artificial Christmas tree. They mix green pigment with PVC to get that classic Christmas tree color. The glowing stuff is melted. PVC around 160 degrees. Super hot.
Melted PVC gets stretched into thin sheets using these high-speed rollers.
Once the sheet cools down, it becomes this long green plastic film.
These strips will later become the leaves or needles of the tree.
This machine cuts the strip into needle-like pieces. We fall straight into the bin here, ready for the next stage. Put the thread and needles in this drum to make them soft and fluffy.
म्हणजे हब टाइप के पिकल्स देंगे. Looks pretty real already. The strips get twisted onto metal wire. That's how a branch is made.
Metal pipes become the central trunk of the tree.
They make different branch sizes. Small ones for the top, bigger ones for the bottom.
This part takes the most time. Green trees. The tree. Attach each branch manually. This part takes the most time. Christmas trees. 9 trees are assembled in 3 parts: bottom, middle and top. This is the metal base that holds the whole tree upright. They're painted green or black depending on the model. Single tree is checked before packing. I'll start with the base. It locks in with the connectors. Top piece goes on and we measure 6 foot exactly. After
Tape every branch to make it look fuller before shipping. This branch is going being packaged, the old Christmas board of the tree. Then we will start shaping its new trees.
section adds LED lights for pre-lit Christmas trees. Test the color, strength and flexibility. No weak branches allowed. They fold the tree tightly so it fits inside a compact carton. They pack the tree along with instructions and accessories. All finished Christmas trees are stored here before shipping out. And I'm sending this project here. Right guys, that's how artificial Christmas trees are made in a modern factory. Hope you enjoyed this real walkthrough. See you in the next video.